Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long.
Hello and good morning to WannaGoBiking. We are on the Isle of Wight, Arjan and I, and we're going to go for a little stroll today. Only 50k or so is the plan. First up should be the Needles. I believe that's a very interesting landmark here. I've never been here before, so that should be interesting. But yeah, let's just go for the weather forecast right now. I'm very eager to find out what the weather is going to be. Arjan, what kind of weather?
Well, marvelous weather.
Marvelous weather.
Cloudy. Headwind.
Headwind.
All we can expect.
Okay.
Yes.
And rain? Any rain?
Oh, but not here.
Oh, okay. No rain. Well, that's good. Yeah, it's both of 5 winds expected, and unfortunately is coming from the west, and we are in the west, so that means we will be heading back into the wind. Oh well. At least we have a very slim setup for today, as we're staying in the same place for 2 nights, so that's gonna be nice. Very light bike. All right, let's head for the Needles right now. See you later. A nice old car, a Jaguar or MG. Ooh, beware of rockets. That would have been a nice sight, eh? It's very cloudy and overcast all of a sudden, unfortunately. Let's see if we can have a good look at the Needles. Another beautiful rock formation. Look at that. So that was the Needles for us. Unfortunately, the weather seems to be turning a little bit on us, so yeah, I'm not quite sure how far we will actually ride today. Well, depends on the weather, of course. Wow, what a spectacular sight. The Isle of Wight certainly doesn't disappoint. You.
Okay.
Just had a nice lunch at the Isle of Wight Pearl. That was a bit uncertain to us whether or not it actually had a cafe, because all we could see was pearls. It's not really what we were wanting at that moment, but it appeared that at the back of the pearl exhibition there was actually a cafe, so all's good. We'll head down further east, and then with a full-on headwind we'll head back to freshwater. I think this is where we leave Military Road and slightly head back now towards freshwater. So yeah, that should be fun against a both of 5 headwind, but yeah, we should manage. All right, see. Like a very old church. Right, that's a fantastic ride so far today. Really lovely. We are lucky with the weather. It's more cloudy than the last couple of days were, but otherwise fantastic temperature, and we were very clever for once doing the coastal route with a tailwind, and now we're inland with much less wind, so yeah, that's a good choice. I think it's only a few miles back to freshwater, so yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it some thumbs up, and we'll see you in a next video. So for now, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there, and see ya.